Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to leave a Moodle course. Leaving a Moodle course typically involves removing yourself from the course enrollment. Doing so is super easy, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer. After you do that, type in moodle.org in the URL box and search. After you are logged into your Moodle account, click on the My Courses button at the top left corner to access your courses settings. From the My Courses tab, select one of the courses you want to remove yourself from. After you do that, go to the top of the screen and click on the More button. Now click on Unenroll Me from this course. Confirm that you want to remove yourself from the course by clicking on Continue. And that is how you can easily leave a Moodle course in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.